All right, good morning, everybody. It's Bobby from Bobby's Hobbies. It's 8:35 a.m. Saturday morning, and someone made pumpkin cupcakes, and they opened up this jar of, I guess, pumpkin pie filling, but I think it was unseasoned. I just don't know. But we don't want the rest to go to waste. If I could get it out of here. Yeah, beautiful. I'm gonna add some pumpkin spice just in case. We're gonna put some good milk in there. We gotta mix this all around. Make pancakes outside on the griddle. And I think for good measure, I gotta drop an egg in here. Mix that all up. All right, we'll be back. All right, well, we're outside, and that we cleaned off. That's the top of the Dutch oven down there. So we cleaned it off and re-seasoned it. We'll get back to that for future things. And we've got these pans re-seasoned and heating up. And we're gonna make some, which one are we gonna use? Let's put the flame on nearby. So we've got 2 flames on this. We'll have 2 flames on that. And I'm gonna start with some sausages. I realize I don't have a utensil. That's smart, but it happens. So we're taking out these Blue Parry breakfast sausages. I'm sure someone else will want some. Put some butter in this pan. And the sausages will go in here. Eventually we'll make some eggs. Got the eggs there. Now we're gonna make this pumpkin pancakes. We'll put that in here. So, ooh, that's hot. Pumpkin pancakes. All right. I did add an extra egg, and I added a little extra salt and some other junk. What was the other junk I added? Oh, baking powder to the mix. These almost look like cakes. Alright, let's see how this crazy concoction comes out. I think I did mix it up enough. Yep. We can only hope. Let's see. Well, all right, we have our pumpkin pancakes there. Now, one of them I flipped over probably a little bit too soon. As you can see, you got some smush on there. It shouldn't have been. See this? The batter's just not. I think we need more heat. Yeah, it's just not enough heat. Let's see if this one's doing anything. Nope, looks mushy. See that? That's kind of interesting. Maybe we gotta raise the heat a bit, because the low heat's not getting the job done. Let's see. Let's check out these sausages. Plus, it's an older barbecue, probably on its last legs, and you see the flames jetting out on the front and not the back. Probably needs new. I don't know what those are. They're not thrusters, but I guess gas vents. All right, we'll see. When I flipped that one over, it just kind of got it on there. Let's see if I can. Oh, ooh, wow! Being over the flame was burning. See, this one's definitely not. See that? That one. Let's try to reform this. Wow. That's dangerous. So we're getting some problems here. Let's try it this way. Let's see. Maybe it'd be better over a coal fire. Well, they're taking a while, but the pancakes are starting to look good. And so are these sausages. All right, everybody, it's an early welcome to autumn, fall, one of my favorite times of the year. And we've got some sunny side up eggs and delicious Lipari breakfast sausages. We also have pumpkin pancakes made with Krusty's pumpkin mix, some out of the can pumpkin pie mix. I'm not sure if it had the condiments in it or not, or I should say the spices rather. So I added some pumpkin spice, some salt, and let's see, what else did I add in there? Salt, some extra baking powder. And then I also made this with milk, and I put 2 eggs. And that's what they look like when they're cooked. So hopefully they taste as good as they look. They look scrumptious. It should taste like a combo between a pumpkin pie and a pancake. So that should be quite delicious. Okay, well, we're going to taste the egg, sausage, and pancake. And let's see, let's go for the pancake. It's got a little syrup, a little powdered sugar. Let's see the texture. So it's cooked pretty well, actually. It's got a nice flavor, nice robust flavor. Pumpkin-y, the spice. It's not too sweet, but it's got the syrup. Let's see the egg. Wow. That came out great. Sausage. This has got a very hearty, robust pumpkin flavor. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.